Welcome to UniFi Quicks, and in today's video I'll show you how to hide your Wi-Fi network. As always, we click settings on the lower left corner and then we do Wi-Fi. And let's say we want to hide this kids Wi-Fi. Gonna open it, scroll down, and here hide Wi-Fi name. When I check this and apply changes, no smartphones or computers will be able to see kids Wi-Fi as their original name. Instead, they're not gonna be able to see it at all as a Wi-Fi name, as an SSID name. So how are you going to connect to it? Well, if it's your first time connecting to this Wi-Fi, you're going to choose Other on the Wi-Fi settings and you type the name of the Wi-Fi just like it is here, kids Wi-Fi, and the password, and then you will be able to join. Otherwise, you will not. Have a question? Drop them in the comments.